name is Adrian T. Lagunilla and this is my blog. When I began this journey, I wasn't sure how well I could express myself as a communicator. But through each activity and reflection, I've discovered more about who I am and how I connect with others. In one of my journal reflections, I focused on being an empathetic listener. I realized that listening is more than just hearing words. It's about understanding feelings and responding with care. This helped me connect better with others and build trust. When I was in grade 10, I experienced one of the most challenging but meaningful moments of my life. I was asked to present in front of the whole class for a major project. At first, I was terrified. I felt my hands shaking, my voice almost breaking, and I wanted to give up. But then, I remembered all the effort I put into preparing. I told myself, this is my chance to prove to myself that I can do it. So, I took a deep breath, looked at my classmates, and started speaking. At first, it was difficult, but as I went on, I noticed some of my classmates nodding, listening, and even smiling. That gave me strength. By the time I finished, I felt a sense of relief and pride I had never felt before. That moment became a turning point for me. It showed me that even when I doubt myself, I can rise above fear. It taught me that confidence grows when we take risks. And it reminded me that mistakes don't define us, but our courage to keep going does. I also practiced delivering polished and professional messages. Here's one example. Dear Miss Precious, good day. I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to kindly request a short extension for our project submission. Due to typhoon, unexpected challenges in gathering data and balancing other academic requirements. I would greatly appreciate an additional one day to finalize and polish my work. I value the quality of my submission and want to ensure I give my best effort. Rest assured, I am committed to completing the project within the requested time. Thank you very much for your understanding and consideration. Respectfully, Adrian T. Lagunilla, 11 Akad C4 AM. Looking back, I can see how much I've grown. I started unsure of my communication skills, but now I've built empathy, confidence, and the ability to connect with others. This journey has shaped me not just a communicator, but also as a person. One of my strengths as a communicator is empathy. I try to understand others and make them feel valued. I've also become more confident in expressing my thoughts, but I know I still have areas to improve, like managing nervousness during big presentations and practicing clearer organization of ideas. Moving forward, I'll keep building these skills because communication is something we grow in every day. Thank you for watching my vlog. Again, this is Adrian T. Lagunilla. 11 ACADC 4 a.m.